As we can tell, the whole crypto market is down. It's red again. But I have some very good news. If you hold Shiba Inu or any cryptocurrency for that matter, that in this video I must share with you right now. What's actually happening is that Bitcoin dominance is now under 40% for the first time in many years. What this actually means is that cryptos, the altcoins, are now heading faster and closer into altcoin season, which when we enter into altcoin season, historically, as we have seen over and over again, the altcoins make crazy gains. This includes Shiba Inu, this will include DOGECOIN. Any other coin but Bitcoin will have the opportunity to make some crazy gains like we've never seen before. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you what exactly is going to be happening to Shiba Inu, these altcoins, and much more. So stay tuned for the whole video. You cannot miss anything that I have in store for you today. What's up, Myles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos where I call out huge plays way before they happen. Also, if you love cryptocurrencies, you love Shiba Inu, if you love altcoins, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Click that like button if you would. It really helps to support the channel and to break the algorithm so we can share this video with people that need to hear this information. And if you want to get access to my trade alerts when I'm buying and selling cryptocurrencies, my day trade alerts, swing trade alerts, long-term trades, go ahead and join my Patreon right now. The link for that will be in my video description. This Saturday, I'm going to be revamping my Patreon like never before. It's going to be a private VIP Discord. You can message me every day. I'm giving video updates personally just for my Patreon members. You can even speak to me on the phone right now. Set up a consultation so we can go over your current portfolio, move some things around, and I can tell you about the best cryptos out there. So we have a whole bunch of things happening this Saturday in the Patreon. Make sure you get in before it starts. And don't forget to get your 5 free stocks worth up to $8,000, guys. All you have to do is go below, click my WEBULL link, create an account, deposit 1 penny, and they will send you 5 free stocks worth up to $8,000. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive straight into the content. So first and foremost, what we are seeing is the whole crypto market is obviously down. And we first want to start off with technical analysis and looking at Bitcoin, because if we want to understand what is happening with the Shiba Inu or even any altcoin for that matter, you need to hear what I am going to tell you right now. So this is the Bitcoin chart. And as we saw, Bitcoin was in this downtrend. Then we had a reversal, which we perfectly called out in the Patreon and also on my YouTube videos. And we started to have a reversal, which means that we were changing from a downtrend to an uptrend, which we are basically now headed into. Now, despite us actually making some really big moves the last couple of days in the crypto market, because of FUD, because of a bunch of things, we did see a correction or a pullback. Now, the good thing about this pullback is that this is where we are currently residing. This is where we are currently at. This pullback allowed us to make a higher low from this low, which is actually a good and healthy sign of a bullish market or a potential bullish reversal. But depending on what happens in the next 24 to 48 hours, it could confirm the uptrend or the reversal, or we can come back down to this level and we end up basically where we started a week or two ago. So basically we'd be trading sideways. But I personally think as we are starting to see a strong push and some green at this very level, as this indicator is letting us know there's a lot of volume coming in for this particular price, that the market is going to be recovering from this very point. This is just my opinion. It's not financial advice. But realistically, yes, we can come down again. We could even go further. But what is more likely, statistically, is that we will be getting a bounce here very soon. Into the new year, and after the new year, we'll probably be seeing a lot of green like I speculated a couple of weeks ago. Now, if we go ahead to coinmarketcap.com where we can see what cryptocurrencies are doing, we obviously are seeing pretty much every single cryptocurrency in the red. In the last 24 hours, a lot of cryptocurrencies, since they have recovered, they were down about 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%. Really not much is happening in the crypto market. So we're pretty much trading sideways. And if we look at a week ago, we are still higher. So we are still higher than where we were a week ago, which is a very good thing for most cryptos. Now, here's the thing. So the Bitcoin dominance falls under 40%. And this is also something that we can monitor on the chart. And as we see to the right, Bitcoin dominance is 40% right now, 40.20. And that number actually correlates to the percentage of the Bitcoin dominance. Now, the Bitcoin dominance is a chart or an indicator where it lets us know the Bitcoin dominance of the whole crypto market. And the Bitcoin dominance is basically measured by the performance of Bitcoin compared to altcoins. So when the performance of altcoins together and accumulatively, Ethereum, DOGECOIN, Shiba Inu, and so forth, when the performances of those altcoins continue to go up and the market share, the money is flowing more into the altcoins, which is basically the same thing as their performance, then we start to see the Bitcoin dominance go down. Now, the last time Bitcoin dominance was in these very areas was in 2018. We saw April, and then we were even in January. So January and April of 2018. Now, here's the very interesting thing. When Bitcoin dominance is at these levels, this allows the altcoins to go crazy, because what is happening is that the financial institutions, a lot of the whales, and people just like me and you, which are also called retail investors, they're not necessarily focusing on Bitcoin anymore. And this is only a temporary thing. It just happens where there's cycles and seasons where money is focused more on Bitcoin and then is focused on this one and that one. But what we are seeing right now is a lot of money is being focused in the altcoin opportunities because, of course, altcoins have a greater chance of appreciating and growing faster than Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is obviously the slowest growing and appreciating cryptocurrency in all of cryptos. So what happens is a lot of these altcoins are able to make crazy gains because the financial institutions are focusing on putting money into the altcoins because of the great opportunity. And when the financial institutions, when these whales are pumping money into the altcoins, as we have seen a couple of days ago, altcoins were going crazy, 20% gains, 30% gains, crazy things we saw last week, the last 7 days. But the financial institutions and the whales, they start buying these altcoins. And when you have the whales and the people just like me and you buying altcoins at the same exact time, it causes crazy pumps to happen. So there is a website you can actually look up. It's called, just go to Google and type in altcoin season index, and it lets us know with more accuracy if we are in altcoin season. So as of right now, we are not fully in altcoin season, but we are starting to get very, very close. We are starting to see a balance. And maybe in the next couple of weeks, we could officially be in altcoin season. But just because the indicator here is saying we're not in altcoin season doesn't mean the altcoins are going to pump. When the altcoin season index is actually confirmed that we are on altcoin season, that's when the altcoins are already pumping and doing crazy things. So this is an opportunity for us right now to get diversified into a lot of altcoins before they really pop off. And in the Patreon, I do just exactly that. You can set up a consultation with me in the Patreon, a phone call, and I can tell you how to diversify properly for this altcoin season, which is something you need to be doing if you want to make the most money out of your crypto portfolio. Now, before I get into the really juicy stuff, I have some amazing stuff to share with you still. If you guys want to be able to trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, go ahead and create an iTrust Capital account. The link will be in my video description below. You can buy Shiba Inu there, you can buy DOGECOIN, you can buy a whole bunch of cryptocurrencies on there, and you can trade them tax-free. So when you sell them, when you buy them, there's no tax penalties that you will have to worry about for as long as you keep your money in there. And whenever you fund an account, they send you $100 of free Bitcoin. Very cool. There's no fees. It's 24/7 investing. Highly recommend checking it out, guys, because many of you make so much money in cryptocurrencies, and if you continue to trade in your exchanges, you are going to have so many taxes that you are going to lose a lot of money. Here, you can literally trade for free, tax-free for many years, and pull out when you want to, and just have a small tax penalty when you pull out early. Definitely recommend checking out. The link for this will be in my video description, but let's go ahead and get into the good stuff. So here we have it, guys. Look at this. This was Bitcoin in 2020, and now Bitcoin in 2021. If we take a look at these charts, they look almost extremely identical. And not only are the charts looking extremely identical, the drops, the crashes, even the indicators, the RSI and the MACDs look extremely identical. And the MACD right now on the current chart is showing us that we are potentially about to make a very strong recovery, and that we are nearing on the RSI a strong bounce. So what we saw last year is the same exact pattern playing out. We had a correction, which is the same correction we're having now. Then we ended up having a major bounce. Look at this, from $11,000 all the way to over $55,000. But now we are at not 11,000, but we're at 50,000. And this could potentially push us to over $150,000 to $200,000. Now, if Bitcoin hits those types of numbers this coming year of 2022, that would mean the altcoins like Shiba Inu and DOGECOIN and a lot of the coins that we talk about on this channel, a lot of these coins that we hold, will do crazy things like we've never seen them before. Potentially crazy pumps like even greater than this year. Let me know what you all think about that in the comments below. If Bitcoin were to hit $200,000 this year, how high do you think Shiba Inu, Ethereum, how high do you think some of these altcoins in your portfolio will go? Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments below. But now going into the Shiba Inu chart, we are still holding up strong. And this chart is looking very similar to pretty much every chart out there, including Bitcoin. So not much to be said on technical analysis because of already what I have shown you. So as long as we continue to hold up these levels here for Bitcoin and potentially get a nice bounce here, which is very likely, then we are going to start to see some green here in the next couple of days, this weekend and the next coming weeks, because it is going to be the first of the year, which is typically bullish. It may not end up being bullish, which is certainly always a possibility, but it's very likely that the beginning of the year is going to be very bullish. Now, if you want to get those day trade alerts for cryptocurrencies, go ahead and join my Patreon. We're doing smaller trades in 2022, very small, precise, easy trades where we can consistently make money. Go ahead and follow all the socials in my video below. And if you got something out of the video so far, give this video a thumbs up and share this video with at least one person on Facebook, Twitter, whatever it is. And I will see you all later.